All right, welcome back, and this is my fifth tutorial on VEX VR. All right, now if you still remember the problem, the challenge that was given in tutorial 4, you were asked to draw a square which is red color, and obviously you needed to use the pen. So this is the solution that I have. Okay, so it's on the left. So I started this time around by increasing the speed because I found the turning too slow, as well as the going forward and moving right. So drive velocity to 100. This is another block you can use. Set turn velocity to 100%. So both are maximized. And then I move my robot pen down so the tip touches the surface. Set the color to red. And then, of course, you've got the two movement blocks. Drive forward for 1,800 millimeters. Follow from the top. That's all the way here. Then turn right for 90 degrees, which is turning right. And that thing needs to repeat 4 times. You got to move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right. Okay, now let's for a change, let's just look at it from this angle so you can actually see the full robot moving. All right, let's see how this actually goes about. So I'm going to press play. Okay, that's one line in red. It's turning right 90 degrees. Second line, and now we've got the vertical line as well, and the final horizontal line of the square. Great, and there you've got one full square. Okay, now I'm going to add on an extra challenge in this tutorial. Okay, and the extra challenge in this tutorial would be for you to draw 2 blue diagonals. So you do this, you form your red square, and then you form a blue diagonal using a blue line, and then you go across here without changing the color of the red, and then you do another blue diagonal. All right, now obviously you got to move your pen up now, okay, because you don't want to be coloring over the red. The other thing you got to think about is what is the length of this diagonal. Okay, now those of you who've learned Pythagoras Theorem, you probably find that really useful to calculate the length of this, length from one side, from one corner to another. All right, because that would be the longest side of a right angle triangle. If you haven't learned Pythagoras Theorem, you can still figure that out, okay, by trial and error, or by doing a bit of a ratio, comparing this length to this length. This should be 1:1 scale, so we can use a ruler, do a bit of a ratio or fraction, and try and figure out how much they should be. If not, use Pythagoras Theorem. All the best. I shall see you in tutorial 6 with your red square and your 2 blue diagonals. Thank you very much.